Teyseer welcomes you to yet another training program. This time it is on importance of wearing seat belt. A seat belt is a safety belt. It is designed to secure a life during a collision or a sudden stop. In this video, we will see a van and a car colliding each other. These passengers traveling in the car never wore a seat belt. Except the driver. Remember, a seat belt helps to reduce the likelihood of death or serious injury. While in van, the driver takes the responsibility and monitoring.
All of you wear a seatbelt.
All passengers in the car die cause of not wearing a seat belt. Driver is the solo survivor. While in van, all passengers survive cause of wearing a seat belt. If would have given another choice to the passengers in car, then all would have survived. We at Teyseer have a very stringent policy in wearing a seat belt. Wearing seat belts are mandatory, whether you sit in front or at back. The policy and procedure are displayed at all the sites and are also available with QHSE team. Wear your seat belt wherever you sit in the vehicle. Teyseer cares for you. Thank you.